Extensive compatibility. Connect USB-C devices to Apple laptops, smartphones and tablets. Use this USB-C to Lightning cable with your USB-C power delivery charger to access fast charging for your compatible iPhone. High speed. USB 2.0 supports data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second between your USB-C equipped Mac and Lightning-enabled iPhone, iPad or iPod. Not suitable for video or high-speed data transfer applications. Premium braided cord. 3 feet woven fabric cord resists tangles and allows you to power up from a distance. The black color makes this cable easy to coordinate with your existing electronics and decor. Durable construction. Premium easy-to-grip aluminum connectors feature a reversible plug design and are rated for up to 12,500 bends, making this cable one of the most durable on the market. Peace of mind. MFI certification and strict quality testing ensure your Apple devices are charged safely, at their fastest possible speed. This cable is built to last a lifetime and is backed by a hassle-free replacement policy, should it ever malfunction. Top reviews from the United States. Braided cord works great. I guess we are hard on cables, so I feel like we are often replacing them. I was really impressed with the quality of this one. The ends are nicely reinforced to help prevent breaking, and the braided cord makes it super durable. Highly recommend it as a great iPhone charging cord as I've had no issues.